Yoshi's Magical Adventure. Yoshi's Dream Adventure and the Magical Meta. Train Station and Bookstore Adventure. One night when the moon was exceptionally beautiful, the puppy fell into a peaceful sleep and began to dream. One sunny morning, a little puppy named Yoshi was playing. In the garden, colorful flowers were blooming, and butterflies were fluttering around. But today felt different. There was an exciting feeling in the air. Yoshi was very curious and always wanted to go on a new adventure. There must be something fun happening today, Yoshi thought. As Yoshi looked around the garden, he spotted a small hole hidden. It was a tiny passageway under the fence. Feeling excited, Yoshi stuck his head into the hole. It was a bit tricky, but he managed to squeeze his body through. Hooray! I'm outside in the big world. Yoshi joyfully ran down the path. There were paved roads, people walking by, and cars passing. Everything was new and interesting. Yoshi sniffed the air, taking in all the different smells. After walking for a while, Yoshi reached a nearby train station. There were a lot of people standing on the platform. And he could hear an announcement from the speakers about an incoming train. Yoshi joyfully ran down the path. Suddenly, ding dong! The train departure bell rang loudly. Yoshi jumped up with his tail straight in surprise. Woof! He barked softly and took a small step back. Watching the train clatter away, Yoshi thought, "This is fun, but a little scary." Just then, a beam of light shone down from the sky. Yoshi, you did well. This is a reward for your adventures, said a gentle voice from nowhere. Yoshi was surprised but carefully picked up the medal in his mouth. and headed for the next destination. As he walked away from the station, Yoshi found an old bookstore. Intrigued, Yoshi went inside the bookstore. Inside, the shop was filled with the smell of old books. And the shelves were packed with books of all kinds. Yoshi explored by weaving through stacks of books. And circling around the feet of the shopkeeper, an old man. The old man smiled at Yoshi and gently said, "A little guest has come in," while softly patting Yoshi's head. Suddenly another beam of light shone, and another glowing metal appeared before Yoshi. That was a wonderful adventure in the bookstore too. "This is another reward for you," the voice said again. Yoshi happily picked up the second medal. After a while, Yoshi started to feel like going home. He remembered the way back and began walking in the direction of his house. He got lost along the way, but when he heard his family's voices in the distance, he felt brave again. When Yoshi finally returned to the hole in the garden, "I'm back," he seemed to say as he wagged his tail and ran toward his family. His family listened to Yoshi's adventure, story, and surprise, and gently said, "You mustn't go outside again." Yoshi felt happy as his family petted his head and thought back on his adventure today. Soon after, his mother prepared some food for him. Yoshi was so hungry that he eagerly ate the delicious food. When his tummy was full, he looked up, feeling happy. That night, Yoshi's family gave him an empty treasure chest. "You can put the medals you earn from your adventures in here," his mother said with a smile. Yoshi carefully placed one of the medals he had carried into the treasure chest. The medal sparkled inside the chest, and Yoshi's heart sparkled too. As the morning sunlight gently streamed through the window, a small puppy slowly opened its eyes on a cozy bed. Stretching its tiny paws, the puppy felt the peaceful warmth of the day beginning. Yoshi's Magical Adventure. Yoshi's Dream Adventure and the Magical Meta. Get ready for the next adventure!